Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails in Canva in the updated 2026 interface. It's one of the fastest ways to boost your clicks. So, yeah, let's get into it. First, create a new YouTube thumbnail canvas using Canva's preset size. Pick a template or start from a blank canvas. Add your main image, either a photo of yourself or something from Canva's library. Try to choose something that has clear contrast. Use the background remover tool to isolate your subject and make it stand out. Add bold text, just a few words. Keep it big, clean, and readable on small screens. Use color blocks, outlines, and drop shadows to help the text and subject pop. Add small graphic elements like arrows or icons, but keep it minimal so it doesn't get cluttered. Use the rule of 3 in your layout. One area for your subject, one for your text, and one for supporting graphics. Before exporting, zoom out to see how your thumbnail looks at a small size. And that's it. That's how to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails in Canva for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next